Good morning, students. Myself Jyoti Tiwari. You are learning chapter 2, sexual reproduction in flowering plants with me. And we have already discussed about male reproductive organ as well as studied about development of microspores. Now in this lecture video, I will explain you female reproductive organ called gynoecium as well as its structure. So let's start studying it. I am going to focus the diagram to understand it. I hope you are capable to visualize the diagram clearly, and in previous lecture video I have explained you about the structure of flower, and in that explanation I have told you about gynoecium, which is a female reproductive part made up of few parts like stigma, style, ovary. I have zoomed this part in this diagram. I have taken the diagrams from your book so that whenever you see your book you clearly understand it. So this is the structure of gynoecium. Consists of stigma on the top, this oval type of structure called stigma. This tubular part is called style and this solen part is called ovary. Collectively, gynoecium is formed of carpels. Carpels is a leafy structure. Leafy structure which collectively form gynoecium, and to visualize it in detail inside it, if we cut it in transverse section in this way, okay, I will cut it from here. I can visualize this diagram in this manner, and in this manner if I see there is presence of ovules. These are called sacs. Or we can also called as locule. Locule is similar like lobe. So these are lobe, okay, lobe, which are called here locule, and this is called placenta where the embryo transplant, and these are called ovules. And I am going to zoom now the structure of ovule in detail. So this is the ovary and here ovules are present. This is the placenta and this ovule diagram is zoomed here, and let's study its diagram. Ovule is connected to placenta with the help of stalk called funicle, and there is presence of vascular strand. This vascular strand actually transport the necessary nutrient to this ovule, and there is outer integument present and inner integument present, which is protecting the ovule. This is called chalazal end, and this is called micropylar end. Micropyle is a little bit opened pore, and this is the nucellus, and this is the egg apparatus. I am going to tell you about these in detail. Outer integument function is to protect the ovule, inner integument cover the ovule, and nucellus function is to provide nutrition to the growing egg, and inside there is a embryo sac. In this embryo sac zygote develop. And embryo sac consists of antipodal cells, polar nuclei, egg apparatus, and there is also helium. Helium is such type of structure which is connecting funicle to the ovule. So it is helium connecting link. Okay, so let's study it in more detail. I will explain you it with the help of process. With the process of development of ovule. So ovule is developed with the help of archisporium cells. Archisporium cells divide by periclinical division and form parietal cell and sporogenous cells. Parietal cells form the layers. What are the layers? Layers are outer integument and inner integument and chalaza is the region from where outer integument and inner integuments are forming, and sporogenous cells give rise to the mother spore cell which later divide and give rise to these antipodal cell, polar nuclei, and as well as egg apparatus cells. Okay, so I will continue this lecture video later. Thank you so much.